Would you like to drive more traffic to your website? Are you looking for a tool you can use to improve your SEO, paid search, social media, and content marketing campaigns? If so, stick around because today I'm going to show you how to use Semrush to generate the results you're looking for. And yes, it's pronounced Semrush, not SEMrush. Hey, you learn something new every day. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, professor, and a professional speaker who spends a lot of time managing my website to be sure I'm driving as much traffic to it as possible. After all, there's a direct correlation between my website traffic and the amount of revenue I generate in any given year. So when the folks at Semrush asked me to do a video review of their platform, I jumped at the opportunity. After all, Semrush is an all-in-one digital marketing suite that can help me research and track SEO, paid advertising, social media, content marketing, and a whole lot more. So let's take a look at how Semrush works, shall we? To start with, Semrush has a bunch of toolkits that can help you get the most from your website, including an SEO toolkit, an advertising toolkit, a social media toolkit, and a content marketing toolkit. There's so many tools you can use with Semrush that it can be a bit overwhelming. So I'd suggest zeroing in on one tool at a time. Get comfortable with it before moving on to the next tool. I'm going to point out some of the tools I use most frequently, but don't stop with these tools. There are so many different things you can do with Semrush that you want to keep digging and exploring to find the ones that are best for you. I always like to start with the domain overview, which gives me a bird's eye view on my competitors and how they're doing. When I check out domain overview, I look for top organic keywords, traffic trends, main organic competitors, backlinks, and referring domains. I also like to look at Semrush's site audit tool. This is a great way to find errors, warnings, and other things that are keeping my site from performing at its peak. One of my favorite tools is the keyword magic tool. I don't know about you, but I sometimes get stuck trying to come up with new ideas for my content. With the keyword magic tool, they provide thousands of related keywords, and it shows me the traffic those words get and the relative difficulty for ranking. One of the most important things about Semrush is that it does so much more than just SEO. For example, take a look at the advertising dashboard where I can find out information about how my competitors are using paid search. Using the keyword gap tool, I can find keywords targeting my competitors that I might have missed. I can estimate my competitors' PPC spends, keywords, and traffic volume, and I can even design and optimize my Google Ads campaigns. Again, this is just the tip of the iceberg. So if you dive into the social media dashboard, you'll see I can identify the best social media channels to reach my target audience on. I can find out how my competitors generate engagement and understand what types of content works best in my niche. I can also use it to help me do research into topics that would be relevant to my audience. They even have a writing assistant to help me make sure my blog posts are top notch. There's really a lot to uncover with Semrush. If I had any criticism, it's that there's so many tools here that it's difficult to wrap your mind around them when you first get started. But they even have some quick start guides for you. And best of all, a really robust YouTube channel with plenty of great tutorials and video guides. What's the bottom line? If you want your website to perform at its peak so that you can drive more traffic and grow your business, check out Semrush. It has a ton of great features that'll keep you busy for a long time. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, professor, and a professional speaker. If you like what you saw here, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you next time.